Good morning, and welcome to the presentation for the sale of this OB van called Streamy. The design of this mobile vehicle is based on the need to combine an adequate level of technical quality with a dynamic use and the possibility of integrating different brands of cameras and/or audio-video components for different fields of use, both in live and recorded production. As usual, we divide the explanation of the vehicle into different categories. The OB van vehicle is based on a 7-meter-long Ducato 2.5 turbodiesel with less than 2,000 kilometers, practically new. The vehicle is fully insulated and has a Webasto air conditioning and heating system for the control room. The two Hollyland intercom antennas are also on the roof. A Fiammastore 80 roller blind is mounted up front of the side door, with a width of 3.7 meters and a length of 5 meters. At the rear of the vehicle is the electrical panel and the two sockets that allow the vehicle to be supplied with both 16 and 32 ampere power. The rack cabinet containing the electronic equipment is welded to the body and is accessible from both sides, one towards the rear of the vehicle and the other inside the video control room. This facilitates cabling and maintenance management. At the right side of the rear opening, we have space for cables, bags and rigs equipment. There is also a cut in the rear bumper to allow cables to go through the unit without leave the rear door open, something really useful if you plan to leave the unit parked in the night within the production's cabling. The OB van is designed for a quick return on investment, which is why 70% of the video equipment is from Blackmagic Design. At the heart of the video operation is an ATM2E Production Studio 4K series switcher with 26G SDI inputs, controlled by a BMD control panel with 2 mix effects levels. Streamy is equipped with a Terranex standard converter, which allows signals to be processed and converted to high-quality standards, with a choice of frame rates and resolutions that are truly exceptional. There are 9 converters in the rack from SDI to FC and HDMI, which can also be connected either in the video matrix or in the HDMI or SDI patch panel within the control room. The video and audio signals are managed by 2 video and audio matrix devices, a 40x40 matrix and a 20x20 matrix. At the rear of the vehicle, there is also a 21-button 40x40 matrix control panel with display. Both at the rear and in the cabin, we have panels with BNC connectors that are connected directly to the matrix, allowing the various video signals to be distributed virtually anywhere. At the heart of the audio signal management system is a Behringer X32 mixer from the Producer series, with an external SD16 stage box to connect the audio inputs and outputs on stage or away from the vehicle. The mixer is connected to a Windows PC for menu management or panel backup. A TC electronic unit is used for quality control. Signal conversion from analog to digital and vice versa is handled by 2 audio SD-ID embedders and an ultramatch unit. At the rear of the vehicle, there are 2 audio patch panels for sorting the analog signals. Audio monitoring in the video control room is provided by 2 Genelec 1910 monitors. There are 4 SD card video recorders for recording from ISO cameras or other sources managed by the matrix. There is space for a 5th single unit HE recorder in the rack, where all the equipment is installed. We have a 4-input fiber to SDI converter connected to a Fieldcast 24-volt fiber power system. This system, together with the 4 ATEM camera converters from fiber to SDI included in the system, allows any camera to be connected to the vehicle, including tally, audio and power. This is all done using 4 reels of 100-meter fiber. The vehicle also has 2 BMD CCUs for the television studio range of cameras. The communication management is controlled by a Hollyland Syscom 1000T with 6 belt packs, connected to the 2 external antennas mounted on the roof of the vehicle for a very long range. In addition, an intercom ATEM studio converter unit for 4 cameras is installed in the rack and connected to the camera's ATEM camera converter FC. This allows the director to communicate with the cameras connected via a fiber system or directly in SDI. The system is completed with 4 tally units from Cerevo, which are connected to the vehicle network and can therefore be used with any camera. The network is managed by 2 Netgear PoE and FC switches, each with 48 ports. The fiber network is expandable with an external stage box through 100 meter of fiber cable with 48 inputs and outputs, allowing any type of communication between the vehicle and the stage to be extended. The vehicle is equipped with a satellite dish for CASat connections. CASat is a high-throughput geostationary telecommunications satellite owned by Viasat. The satellite provides bidirectional broadband internet access services across Europe and a small area of the Middle East. And additionally, the Saursat TV service to Ireland. It is positioned at 9 degrees east, joining the Eurobird 9A Ku-band satellite. The dish is self-aligning and equipped with a gyroscope to automatically adjust to the vehicle's position. The dish also has a heating system for use in extreme winter temperatures. The CASat system is equipped with a 3 watts TRIA. There are 2 Viasat two-way surfbeam modems. One is the Pro model, which can be used according to the desired connection type, best effort, or guaranteed bandwidth. The satellite system is managed by a laptop in the vehicle and an electronic control panel installed in the rack cabinet. We also provided a Humax satellite receiver to also have TV in the control room. The rack also houses a computer SRT and RTMP server with 4 SDI inputs or outputs, which can then be inserted into the signal matrix. The vehicle is also equipped with a 5-meter manual telescopic antenna that houses 2 4G LTE modems that can be connected to the network switches for connections and or to create field hotspots. Streamy has 6 21 inches monitors, a 55 inches multi-view monitor for the control room, 2 Marshall monitors and 2 15 inches monitors, one for the audio control room and one in the cockpit for a possible commentary. The control booth also has a number of video, audio and network connections. The monitors are connected to both the SDI matrix and an 8x8 HDMI matrix. There are 2 redundant Mac Minis connected to a BMD Ultra Studio 4K Mini. This allows the Pro Presenter software installed on the Mac Mini to manage content, clips and graphics to be inserted into the video mixer. As you can see, the vehicle is truly flexible in terms of both integration and use. If you would like further explanation or purchase information, please email the address below. The vehicle is currently located in Ludwigsburg near Stuttgart, Germany, but it is possible to configure and book an on-site visit or even a video call for various demonstrations. Thank you for your consideration.